everyone. Today let's talk about the JavaScript, the language behind our interactive applications. Did you know this JavaScript got invented in just 10 days? Yes, so let's understand the amazing history of this JavaScript. So in the year 1995, JavaScript was created by the great person Brendan Eich. He was working in Netscape, so he created the first scripting language for the browser Netscape Navigator. Okay, Netscape Navigator is the name of browser. Like how today we have a Chrome browser, we have a Firefox and so on. At that time, we were having Netscape Navigator browser. For that browser, he created the first scripting language and named it as Mocha. Okay, later this Mocha got renamed with LiveScript, and later by seeing the popularity of Java at that time in the market, they renamed it as JavaScript. Okay, at that time Java was popular, so that's why they renamed it as a JavaScript. Otherwise there is no dependency, there is no relation between Java and JavaScript. Both are different languages. Okay, so why he created this JavaScript? Why they need JavaScript? In the last video only we have discussed. Before 1990, our websites, our web pages were static. We were unable to interact with our web pages. So to allow developers to add interactivity to web pages, that's why these scripting languages got invented by the Brendan Eich in just 10 days for their browser Netscape Navigator, guys. So when JavaScript got released, it became famous. It became so famous that what Microsoft thought to create their own version of JavaScript. And in the year 1996, Microsoft released their own version of JavaScript and named it as JScript for their browser Internet Explorer. So do remember, Brendan Eich created JavaScript for Netscape Navigator. Microsoft created JScript for Internet Explorer. So initially everyone thought both are same only, but this created the huge problem, guys. What is the problem? Let's understand through one simple animation. Look over here, everyone. Let's imagine we were the developers in the year 1996. Okay, so in the year 1996 we were having two browsers, correct? One is Netscape Navigator, another one is Internet Explorer. So as a developer, let's imagine we have designed one website. Which website? This is the website. Cool 90s website. Okay, so this is designed by us. Consider I am the developer. I am the developer only actually. So when I design this particular website, I designed this for Netscape Navigator browser, because Netscape Navigator browser was working well with JavaScript, and Internet Explorer browser was working well with JScript. Both are different. Okay, do remember. So this is created by me, and I considered Netscape Navigator JavaScript browser. Okay, sorry, JavaScript language for Netscape Navigator browser. So now look over here. If you are open this particular website in Netscape Navigator, and if the website was designed for Netscape Navigator, then it was working well. You can check. It was working well. Product 1, product 2, some logo has been displayed, button. So this website works correctly because it was designed for Netscape and you are viewing it into Netscape. Designed for Netscape, viewing it into Netscape, working well. But let's say this website I am opening into Internet Explorer. See, it is as a developer, I designed it for Netscape Navigator browser by using JavaScript. But I have opened it into Internet Explorer. Which scripting language Internet Explorer were using? JScript created by Microsoft. So at that time, this is the huge issue, guys. Now you can check it out over here. Product 1, product 2 is not at all visible only. So this website is broken because it was designed for Netscape, but you are viewing it into Internet Explorer. So now this is the issue for the developers. As a developer, we need to write two versions of the website. One is for JavaScript, another is for JScript. So this is not convenient, this is not the efficient way. So what we did, see, for every problem, of course, there will be solution always. So to solve this problem, ECMAScript came into the picture, guys. So what is this ECMAScript? To fix this, a group called ECMA International stepped in and created a standard version of JavaScript called ECMAScript. Now all browsers had to follow the same set of rules, making JavaScript work consistently everywhere. So today, let's say you wanted to open your YouTube application. You open YouTube in Chrome, you open YouTube in Internet Explorer, open it into Firefox. Everywhere it works well. Why? Because this ECMAScript gave one rule book, guys. So what is that rule book? Whoever wants to design this, whoever wants to use this JavaScript, they should follow these rules given by the ECMAScript. So today we have one standard rule, which is nothing but ES6, ECMAScript 6, which is widely used version of this JavaScript, guys. Later this got evolved. We have ES7, 8, and so on, but still ES6 is consistent because it works well across multiple browsers, guys. So if you are thinking how the JavaScript code is getting executed today, so let's understand how JavaScript code is getting executed. Okay, before that, big upgrade is also there. In the year 2015, after several years, JavaScript remained as it is, guys. We were not having any updates, with small updates only were there. A major upgrade called ES6 ECMAScript in 2015 changed everything. So in this version, that is what I was telling, guys. In this version, we got everything. For example, your arrow functions, your keywords, your promises, closures, and many more concepts. As of now, if you don't know anything, leave about it. You just need to understand which version of JavaScript we are using. ES6, ECMAScript 6. What is ECMAScript? That is one rule book, guys. Okay, so that in whichever the browser you open the application, it will work well only. Okay. So popular JavaScript engines we have. These are the popular JavaScript engines. If you are thinking now, what is this JavaScript engine? Very basic thing, guys. See, today, let's say I want to execute JavaScript code. Like if you want to execute your Java code, you will install JVM. If you want to execute Python, you will be having PVM. But if I want to execute JavaScript code, then you will be having browser into your system, guys. You have Chrome browser, Firefox browser, correct? So inside that browser, JavaScript engines are already running. So that is what they are telling. So different JavaScript engines we have. So Chrome uses V8 used in Google Chrome and Node.js. This is developed by Google and one of the fastest JS engine. So usually we use V8 only, which is used in Google Chrome. Okay. So after that, some other JS engines also we have. So how these engines works? All these engines converts JavaScript into machine code, so computers can understand it faster. So JavaScript code will convert your code into machine code, guys, because computers understand only machine level language. So what is JS engine? Do remember, JS engine is already running inside your browser. That's why your applications are interactive. If you disable the JavaScript from your browser, your application won't work properly. They will be like a static pages. So this is all about our history of JavaScript.